Hello, my dear friends. Cipla is conducting walk-in drive. So here you can see the location. Job location is Sikkim. The venue is Cipla Unit 2, Sikkim. So the date of this walk-in is 8th July, 10 a.m. onward. So coming to the roles: packaging officer or operator, senior executive. The division I'm in the role. Stores officer or operator, senior executive. Quality control microbiology officer, senior executive. Tablet officer and operator, senior executive. QA QMS officer, senior executive. So coming to the brief job description, 1 to 6 years of experience, B.Pharm, Diploma or M.Sc candidates can apply for this job opportunity. So you need to carry your CV along with one government ID proof. So these are the details, my dear friends. So please utilize the opportunity from Cipla. Thank you for watching. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Once again, the date is 8/7/2023, 10 a.m. onwards at venue Cipla Unit 2, Sikkim. Thank you for watching.